This video is brought to you by #Score Marketing Division Sufi Guidance Channel YouTube.
आगे बात करो sorry
Okay, that's Shah, I came to see you around three years ago, and I got your details.
hello
I was going through a difficult time.
yeah
When I met you about 3 years ago, and I didn't have a job, and financially I was struggling, and you gave me a Wazifa, and within 3 months I got a job which I could never have dreamt of. And my debt was taken away. Around 70% of my debt just went in 3 months, which I could never imagine that it would happen. And I was shocked because I'd never experienced this before. And I spent 15 years running after different people and what have you, and I've never seen anything like this before. The way how you handled the situation, I found you so caring, humble, and loving in the first meeting. And my heart felt at peace. I thought, and that's when I knew that you're the right person, and because you had no greed, nothing at all. On the second meeting, you gave me a stone and said, "This is for you." And I was giving you some money. You said, "I don't need your money. Put it in the charity box." I never experienced things like that. And then I had difficult situations at work with my health, and and just through WhatsApp, you sorted those situations out. So through a WhatsApp message, and even now, when I speak to you or I text you, and when I'm going through difficult, after I put the phone down, I feel like all the issues have gone. And I don't know, there's some kind of magic in you, Shah. So
no, this is it could be magic for the person who doesn't understand. But the people who believe in the power of the Quran, they will know that this is something. This is the quwwat. This is the power of the Quran. ये बिल्कुल सही बात है. For one, मैंने परसों कहा था, for one person it could be magic, for the other person it could be a miracle. Isn't
miracle,
it? Yeah. There's a very
so
thin
true.
line in between, because it's the perception, the mind that distinguishes both. ये चीज़ है ना.
But it's something I haven't experienced before from various people that I've gone through in the past, and I've spent 15 years running after people. And obviously your system is totally different, and it just puts your heart at ease when people are with you. And I think the main thing is it's about having belief and faith, and without that you're not going to get anywhere. It's not something that's going to things don't just happen over. They can happen overnight, but you got to have the belief and faith that comes first.
सही बात है.
So
I still remember when you came the first time, the guy that came with you, he got scared.
Yes.
Isn't it?
He was scared. And Shahzad, you said to him that you're going to get a parking ticket soon, and then the next day he got a parking ticket.
I remember that guy. I remember his face, because when I was telling him things, because I like doing this, my habit is, I like chulbulapan, chulbul type,